Just as long as people don't act stupid, we'll be fine.
What's it?
Just as long as people don't act stupid, we'll be fine.
Yeah, well, that's probably not going to happen.
Can't see the road from here.
Yeah, and you got a good set of eyes. How do you think I feel? Huh?
You'll be fine.
Oh, you son of a gun, you. Go home, you dumbass. Come on, buddy.
These people knew they were going to live in Pennsylvania, but yet they're not smart enough to buy something with four-wheel drive.
Come on, baby. You know what you talking about. You know, got material on that hill, son of a bitch.
People need to stay home. Hey, you think school came out early?
What's that?
You think school came out early?
I would think. I haven't seen any school buses yet.
If they even had it today.
Yeah, they might not.
I know Brookfield did, because my brother, he goes to school still.
Yeah? I'll have to.
No headlights, dumbass.
It never ceases to amaze me. Give the old woman a toot when I go by.
hazards on. Gonna have fun on the way home tonight.
I hope they're heading home. See, this guy's got enough brains to get out.
Hey, look, a school bus.
Looks like Venango goes through here. Oh my, what am I doing up like that? Jeez. Why you got a hill turn that up? Really not a lot of sense of putting a whole lot of material on now other than the heels and tires, you know?
Yeah.
Because you just pop right back on.
Oh, that's bad.
Yeah, it is.
I don't think you want a bomb tail out of here.
Nope.